So this is actually a browser-based game, a serious game about AI research. So players are choosing from 5 different topics, the investigations here. So the topics can be deepfake detection or else like environmental modeling. And after they click on it, they are like they have to investigate further. So you can see like each case is going to begin with an impressive AI claim, and the evidence may have hidden problems. So here the player is actually being like an research investigator, and they are needing to examine data sets and the reports and citations and audit records as well as witness statements. So some evidence is reliable, where some are actually incomplete or misleading. And there's this AI research assistant right there, so it can help the player navigate as well. So actually, you can see that there are visual cues whenever it's needed. They're appearing is to guide the player, and the short explanations are to introduce concepts, right? Like such as bias and the data leakage, hallucinated citations, as well as distribution shifts and prompt injection as well. So the player actually keeps getting to learn as they're experimenting and inquiry-based learning more like. So this is an important part of the pedagogy. After this, comes the part about where they can actually going to be able to try this out in the AI research lab. So I'm just going to show here. Yes. So here they can actually try out the AI model. And of course, here they have to choose the data, the validation method, as well as the performance metric. And the choices, of course, would change the result. So a model may appear accurate at first, but it may perform poorly later. It depends on the metrics, of course. So this allows them to understand through experimentation. And later comes this evidence board. So they have to fill this up to show it to the council. So they have to back up their recommendation, right? So here you can see that they're evaluating, the game is actually evaluating both their decision and the reasoning, and it would reward careful conclusions and not overconfidence. And the pedagogy, actually, you can see that it's built directly into the gameplay. The investigation is supporting, like mentioned, inquiry-based learning and experimentation. So after this will come this quick MCQ-based questions. So the player is going to learn by mistakes, or actually if they're correct, they're just correct. So the original idea in here came from me, of course, and the pedagogy part, but I used GPT 5.6 to actually help me with this case narratives, then the research problems, as well as evidence, right? And I use Codex for rapid prototyping and development. It helped me with this animations and this responsive layout. And as also it just to put this audio cue as well and help me upload it on the GitHub. So in a matter of few hours, I actually did this with Codex and GPT. Thank you so much for listening.